So, I keep turning on the computer and it's not holding my settings and shit. And it keeps saying CMOS. Did you know that this little thing right here, a watch battery, is what keeps your system settings what you want them? Yeah, so bet you didn't know that, but it's a watch battery that runs everything. Goes to show you how good these batteries are too, right? I mean, like, have you ever changed out the battery on your desktop? Did you know? Or did you bring it to a computer geek squad or some shit and they charge you fucking $100 to open up your desktop and put it in there for you? That's what most people do. Yeah, it's got a spot. Put PCIe. Oh, see no M.2. Oh yeah, I guess it's right there. They got the Wi-Fi thing set up in it. Why are you having such a hard time focusing, my guy? My wireless lane. SATA spots. Computers are so cool.